Hello. Let's draw some 2D shapes. Black color. It's a dark black color. Look at these shapes. It's all are 2D shapes. Okay, let's start. Right angle triangle. It's a right angle triangle. What is this? Right angle triangle. Parallelogram. It's a parallelogram shape, kids. Parallelogram. Parallelogram. It's a hexagon shape, kids. It's a hexagon. 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 It's a star. What is this shape, kids? It's a star shape. A star. It's a square shape. What is this shape, kids? It's a square shape, kids. A square. Now it's a circle. What is this? It's a circle shape, kids. Circle. Let's learn some colors. Red color, orange color, pink color, brown color, green color, sky blue color, forest green color, purple color, yellow green color, deep yellow color, light violet color, light violet color, forest green color, forest green color, brick brown color, brick brown color, azalea purple color, azalea purple color, ultramarine color, ultramarine color, vermilion color, vermilion color. Now learn the shapes: right angle triangle, parallelogram, hexagon, a star, a square, circle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.